Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In the previous video, we considered the access modifiers. Today, we will talk about C# properties and encapsulation. So, are you ready? Obviously, let's get started. Before we start to explain properties, you should have a basic understanding of encapsulation. The meaning of encapsulation is to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from users. To do this, you need to take two steps. The first is to declare the fields or variables as private. The second step is to provide public get and set methods through properties to access and update the value of a private field. As we already know, private variables can only be accessed within the same class. However, sometimes we need to access them, and it can be done with properties. And now let's understand what properties are. C# properties are members of a C# class that provide a flexible mechanism to read, write, or compute the values of private fields. In other words, by using properties, we can access private fields and set their values. Properties in C# are always public data members. A property is like a combination of a variable and a method, and it has two methods, a get and a set method. So let's try this in Visual Studio. So we have class student. And now let's explain this. The name property is associated with the name field. It is a good practice to use the same name for both the property and the private field, but with an uppercase first letter. The get method returns the value of the variable name. The set method assigns a value to the name variable. The value keyword represents the value we assign to the property. Now we can use the name property to access and update the private field of the student class. So let's do this. We have student, of course. For example, JSON. Of course, console write line as.name. So running the program, we will get the name JSON in the console window. C# also provides a way to use shorthand or automatic properties, where you do not have to define the field for the property and you only have to write get and set inside the property. So let's modify this example using the automatic properties. So let's delete this part, of course. We have public string name, get, and set. So running the program, we will get the same result in the console window. And why use encapsulation? There are several reasons. First, better control of class members. Second, fields can be made read-only if you only use the get method, or write-only if you only use the set method. Third, flexibility. The programmer can change one part of the code without affecting other parts. Fourth, to increase data security. So today we considered class properties. In the next video we will talk about inheritance. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and click the notifications button to not miss the further videos. I wish you a good day. Bye!